Amber Heard could face perjury charges over 2016's Pistol and Boo debacle after details of the incident were dredged up in her ex-husband Johnny Depp's libel case against The Sun. My name is John, and in today's video we'll tell you why Heard is now being discussed by Australian authorities now out of nowhere. But before we discuss more about this, if you don't want to miss a video, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Let's get started. The actress is currently under investigation by the Department of Agriculture, Water, and the Environment after an ex-employee of Depp's claimed in court he was forced to lie under oath about her dog's illegal entry into Queensland. A departmental spokesperson told news.com.au on Wednesday the department is investigating if any criminal offenses under Commonwealth legislation have been committed relating to the testimony provided to the High Courts in London. Because of the nature of those inquiries, we are unable to provide a timeline. The maximum sentence for perjury in Queensland is 14 years in jail. The actor Amber Heard was repeatedly told it would be illegal for her to take her two dogs with her to Australia, a former Johnny Depp employee has claimed in a London court. Kevin Murphy, who worked for the Pirates of the Caribbean star for almost 8 years, alleged that Depp's then partner had demanded he make a false statement about the animals being smuggled into the country. He also said that Heard had asked him to contact her former assistant, Kate James, and asked her to lie under oath in an Australian court. In a written witness statement submitted as part of Depp's libel case against News Group newspapers, Murphy, who worked as an estate manager for the Hollywood actor until 2016, said that on the 11th and 12th of October 2015, Heard had asked him to contact James and asked Mrs. James to lie under oath to the Australian court prosecuting Mrs. Heard. Specifically, Mrs. Heard wanted Mrs. James to give a false statement that Mrs. Heard was unaware that it would be illegal for her to bring her dogs into Australia, Murphy said. Mrs. Heard was aware that this was illegal because I had informed her repeatedly by email, telephone, and in person. Heard became embroiled in one of those bizarre political scandals in history 4 years ago when she joined her then husband in Queensland's Gold Coast via private jet, dogs in tow, while he was filming Pirates of the Caribbean. It was the same trip during which the couple had a brutal argument which ended with Depp's finger being severed. Heard alleged she was held hostage for 3 days by the actor in a drug-fueled rage. Depp has denied he was physically abusive. The 34-year-old Aquaman star avoided conviction over the Pistol and Boo matter in April 2016, claiming she was unaware that the correct paperwork had not been lodged prior to her arrival. She was later forced by then Deputy Prime Minister Barnaby Joyce to film a biosecurity apology video alongside Depp. She was also slapped with a $1,000 fine. However, Mr. Murphy told London's High Court in July that Heard was unaware that she was breaking the law and had demanded he make a false witness statement. He said, "When I expressed that I was extremely uncomfortable with this, Ms. Heard said to me, 'Well, I want your help on this. I wouldn't want you to have a problem with your job.'" Sasha Wass, QC, representing The Sun, asked Mr. Murphy, "You are now admitting that you committed perjury in Australia as a result of something your boss's wife asked you to do?" Mr. Murphy replied, "That's correct."
Resources redirected to more important legal matters.
Why on earth did you not go to Mr. Depp to ask him to intervene rather than just lying on oath? The lawyer asked. Mr. Murphy said, "Because Amber wielded a lot of power and would have made my life miserable." Now that's not hard to believe. I mean, she did make Johnny Depp's life miserable. And well, that's all we got for now. Hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.
There ain't no grave can hold my body down. There ain't no grave can hold my body down. When I hear that trumpet sound, I'm gonna rise right out of the ground. There ain't no grave can hold my body down.